Hi, I'm Chuck Richardson with Richardson Boudreaux Law Firm, and today I'd like to talk to you about insurance. You know, we're all required to buy it. If we want to drive a vehicle on the road, if we own a home, we have to have insurance. And so what happens many times is we suffer some type of damage and we want to have it covered, and we want our insurance company to pay for that. There's many things you need to know. The first is the contract is what controls what happens. So you can look at it, and often it's quite confusing, but it'll tell you, here's what their obligations are, here what your obligations are. You know, many years ago, I still remember this case because it was the first insurance bad faith case that I handled. In that situation, a family's business burned, and the insurance adjuster came in, brought a cause and origin person who said the fire was a result of an accelerant and that the owner burned his own business and they weren't going to pay. So we went and hired a cause and origin expert to go out to the scene and do his study. He came back with a totally different conclusion. You see, there was a burn pattern. It was a 1x2 square burn pattern right in the middle of the store. And quite honestly, what had happened is they replaced 2 tiles, 1x1 tiles, about 2 weeks earlier, and the glue was still an accelerant. So when the fire got to that point, it then was accelerated. Fortunately, we were able to help that family restore their business and move them forward. So what am I supposed to know? Who am I supposed to talk to? How do I find out? That's what we're here to do. So at Richardson Boudreaux, what we would like is the opportunity to talk to you about your case. Your insurance company may be handling your case appropriately, or they may be breaching the contract or acting in bad faith. Both are claims in the state of Oklahoma. Through the process, we'll look at what their responsibilities are, your responsibilities are, figure out if there's a cause of action there, or whether you need to continue to negotiate with your insurance company. Through that process, we'll be able to help you. And you'll know what your rights are, you know what you deserve, and you have a better idea about how to maximize what you get as a result of the injury or damage to your property. Give us a call. Let us walk through that process with you to find out if you're being treated the way you're supposed to be treated.